we're going camping today with got the Duramax, then we got my camp trailer, then we got a surprise in the back. Okay, let's go. This is a new map for me. I've never been here, so at least it finally stopped raining. Construction. And I'm just gonna turn right here. I don't know what I'm doing, so. Oh, jeez. This is flooded. I'm just gonna go across here. Good thing I chained up my trailer. This is hard to get through. This is a pretty good flat spot right here. Gonna park it. Got the hitch off. Got it all jacked up. I just built this too. She's clean. Okay, let's get into our other vehicle. I just built this one too. It's kind of like Braden Price's, but it's a little bit better. I'm just gonna go explore the rest. Come on, look on here. Really want to jump the logs. Unload you? I guess not. Nope. What's that here? Oh, jeez. Oh, ow. Got some trail riding. I don't really want to go trail riding right now. See if I can get out. Whew. I don't think that would go that much more farther, so I'm gonna go across the bridge again. Trying to fall through the crack. Oops. Meant to turn this way. More construction. That's a pretty deep hole. Hate to fall in that. Oh jeez. Off the road. This place is mean. And that's the end of that trail. Oh jeez. Oh, I almost just fell off the map. Whoops. I'm gonna at least try. No, I have to. Oh yeah, and please like and subscribe, please. Guess not. That sucks. If I had my other one, it would have done much better. Climb up there. I didn't really go that much. I'm just gonna get back on the road. Well, at least the dirt road. I'm gonna try going this way. Ooh, there's some mud. Oh geez, this is deep. How fast are we going through there? 7 miles per hour. Got it. Got this one. Like we're putting low gear. We're bogging. Whew. Ooh, getting mud in my face. Ow! Ooh. Ooh, bogging. Think I should take a little rinse off? I'm gonna. Oh, this is a lot deeper than I thought. Come on, girl. Nope. Oh, yeah, this is a bad idea. I don't think I can get out. Maybe there's like a way down here. Whoa, what the heck just happened? What? Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is a little messed up. Whoa. I think I'm just gonna stop right there. Poor girl's squatting. Good thing I have a hitch for this. I'm gonna go get my truck. Which way was it? This way, I think? Jeez, ooh, go too fast. Gotta be really careful on this thing. It likes to try to make you fall. Ooh, jeez, ooh, ooh. We just put all this junk here. That's not nice. Look at all those rusted cars. Ooh, hate to be stuck there. There's my truck. I think I'm just gonna leave this side by side here. Okay, gotta get in. Okay, we're in our truck. Not gonna put in forward drive. I don't think I need it. Oh jeez. Whoever made this bridge needs to fix it. There's not much people around here. Thought there would. There's a mud hole. Oh, there's my trailer. Oosh. About to jump it. I'm just gonna go past it and then careful, don't hit the thing. Oh crap! Oh crap! Oof! Oh jeez! Terror just went up my fender. Okay, let's get this backed up. Okay, let me hitch it up. Ooh, dang, that's not good. That's not good. Oh, okay. I thought it was hidden. I'm like, oof. Okay, let me just get it hooked up. Okay. We're all hooked up, guys. think I'm gonna head back. It's like 4 or 5, so I have a little bit of daylight left, but then I'm gonna go to bed. It's a got good chili. My Ostro sucked. Bear got into it. Gotta be real careful with the trailer now. Gonna put in 4 drive. Gonna try to go on this side. Hey, where'd my sidebar go? Oh, there it is. Okay. I'm like, what the heck? Okay, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video here.